Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming and watching this video. Sorry if you hear my dog. It's Molly. She's drinking right now. You might hear her doing whatever a Molly does during this video, but today we're in my kitchen, so we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day treat video. I just thought it would be super perfect for any of you guys who want to take treats into school for Valentine's Day, or if you're having a Valentine's Day party like I am tonight. That's what I'm making this for. And this crock pot behind me is also for my Valentine's Day party. I made a buffalo chicken dip for them. If you want to see a recipe for that, definitely comment that down below. But what I'm going to be showing you guys today is just this Valentine's Day Muddy Buddies mix. And I tweaked the recipe a little bit. I'll tell you how I did once we get into it. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this mix, just keep on watching. So first I'm just going to go over the ingredients that we're going to need for this mix. And so the recipe, I found it on Pinterest, and I mean that's the best place to find everything is Pinterest. And so it said that we should use Chex cereal. And then the person who made this made half the batch with rice Chex and the other half with corn Chex. My mom just got here a whole box of the gluten-free corn Chex for us to use because that's just what she likes. And then you're supposed to have 16 ounces of white candy quick chocolate. And I don't think it really matters what kind, like what brand of chocolate, as long as you make sure that the white chocolate that you're getting is specifically for melting, because just having regular chocolate chips is different than the baking chocolate that you're supposed to use to melt with. My mom here just got me this vanilla natural flavored candy coating, and so that's what we're going to use as our coating for our Chex. And then you need a half a cup of powdered sugar, and 1 bag of frosted animal crackers, which I got from Walmart. And then this is the part that I changed, is you were supposed to have 6-lets, but I don't really like 6-lets, so instead of the 6-lets, I just got a bag of Valentine's Day M&Ms. So instead of the 6-lets, I'm just going to mix in this bag of Valentine's Day M&Ms. And then rainbow sprinkles, and then a bag to put them in, to crush up your frosted animal crackers. So first, we're going to go ahead and melt the chocolate. And to melt the chocolate, I'm just going to go ahead and follow the directions that are on the back of the package. And they say for microwave entire pound of candy coating in the enclosed microwave tray for 1 minute, then stir well. If not completely melted, continue to microwave for 15-second intervals, stirring well after each interval until smooth. So, opening this up. So this tray that it comes in is already microwave safe. If you don't have a microwave safe bowl, just go ahead and use a glass bowl or something you can put in the microwave. Don't use metal. That cannot go in the microwave if you did not know. Now the white chocolate is all melted, and that ended up taking about 1 minute and 30 seconds, I think. So I did the first minute consecutively, and then I did it by 15-second intervals, just like the package said. And next I poured my entire box of Crispix, or corn Chex, sorry, into this gallon-sized bag. And then the recipe said to pour half of the white chocolate into this bag with the corn Chex. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I actually put it in a bowl, and so I had to find I tried a few different bowls until I found a bowl big enough. So I'm using this big popcorn bowl that we use, and I'm going to go ahead and put half of the white chocolate over top of that. And now that I've got that white chocolate poured on there, I'm going to very gently take a spatula and just mix it all together to get it nice and coated. And then my other gallon-sized bag that you're supposed to have, I was supposed to pour the entire bag of frosted animal crackers in and go ahead and use a rolling pin to just crush these up to not like crumbles, but just chunks so that they're a little bit more bite-sized for the Muddy Buddy mix. Now that I've crushed up my animal crackers, I'm going to go ahead and put those in with my Chex mix here. And now that I've done that, I'm going to pour in the rest of the white chocolate. Okay, now I've got my animal crackers and my white chocolate in there, and once again I'm stirring it with that spatula very gently so I don't break up the Chex, and just mixing it all together or flinging it on the ground. It's fine. Now that I've got that all mixed together here, the recipe says to add half a cup of powdered sugar, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Here's my powdered sugar, and I'm just doing 2 1/4 cup spoonfuls. I'm gonna do one at a time and then stir them in, just so the powdered sugar does not get everywhere. And now that you have your powdered sugar all mixed in, your last step is to just add in the M&Ms to just add a little bit more pop of color to your Valentine's Day treat. So there, when it's all mixed in, that's what it looks like, and you just have this super easy, super delicious white chocolate Muddy Buddy. It's got frosted animal crackers in it. It's super good, super easy to make. Makes a large batch, so it's good for any get-togethers that you have, or if you want to give it to your classmates and just put it in a little baggie, cute Valentine's Day baggie, it's great for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'd like to see a tutorial on this makeup look, I just filmed that before this, and I'll have that uploaded and linked down in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!